Yeah,
when
it
you
will
go
tell you that it's your school time. And
be boring, she'll talk with us. And she's our helping owl. And this is the owl. She's gonna be a child too.
Why is all school logo same?
And to the wire. It has a wire and it came from this box. Look at this box. It's a box. Yay.
Okay, read the guide and let me know how it works.
For real, this is a book.
Read for me. Welcome to a world of fun. Congrats on your new Echo Dot Kids. Set your alarm. Alexa, wake me to Kids Boop at 9 a.m.
Hi, Owl.
What's your favorite music?
Hi Alexa.
Hi, Alexa.
Ask her a science question.
ఏంది అది?
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app. Hola, vamos a empezar. Instala la app de Alexa y sigue las instrucciones. Bonjour.
అవును.
Para configuración. Utiliza el teléfono Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
స్పానిష్ అవులు కాదన్నయ్య ఇంగ్లీష్ అవులే.
She'll talk English with us. Owl. And
హాయ్ Alexa.
Hi, Alexa. Hi, Alexa.
Okay, let's download Alexa app and then set it up.
Mama, how much time, Alexa? Hi, Alexa. Can you start, Alexa? Can you read us a story? Hi, Alexa. Alexa, can you read us a story?
My voice sounds like this. Woohoo, woohoo. If you ever want me to stop pretending, you can say, Alexa, use your normal voice.
Alexa.
To learn more.
Alexa, read us a story.
Getting the selection from Anya's Audible library. Resuming Let's Look at Summer.
She knows my name?
Yeah.
How? She don't know what his
Song.
name. Can you sing us a song?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I'm an owl, look at me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Up in a tree is where I'll be. Q, R, S, T, U, V. W, X, Y, and Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
You.
But can you
I'm
read
gonna
us-
show you some fun things you can do as part of Amazon Kids. Let's get started. I can help you with learning new things. How about outer space?
Yes.
Just say, Alexa, tell me a space fact.
Alexa, tell me a space fact.
It rains diamonds on Uranus and Neptune. That was interesting. Let's try something new. Here's something fun. I can play lots of songs and radio stations. Try saying, Alexa, play music.
Alexa, play music.
Okay, here's a preview of Sweet Arizona.
Can you read us a story for me?
Resuming Let's Look at Summer.
A library? Alexa, did you know my name?
I'm not sure.
Can I tell?
What is my name on
What's my name, Alexa? Her name is Anya.
I'm not able to do that for kids. For more ideas, say, Alexa, open Amazon Kids.
Alexa, open Amazon Kids.
App Store.
What's my
Age, Alexa. What's the age, Alexa? Because she don't know what's the time now.
కాదు